Welcome to the Google Analytics section of the strategy. In here, you're going to learn how to install Google Analytics 4 and connect it with your WooCommerce to track all of your product sales and activities, and with Google Search Console so that you know what keywords people are searching for when they land on your website. You'll also learn to set up important settings such as internal traffic filter to not inflate your own data, alerts whenever there is a spike or a drop in your traffic, and then how to properly track your leads and your sales. We will then deep dive into the Google Analytics reports where you will learn everything about your traffic, how much you're getting, how you're progressing, where it's coming from, the demographics so you can improve your target audience persona, the best location, what high quality traffic is, what low quality traffic is, which pages are performing well, which pages are performing really badly, what to do with all of this information, and how to improve your marketing strategy accordingly. Now, even if you're starting out completely fresh with no data, you will get access to the Google Analytics demo account that has tons of data where we can practice our skills to become expert digital marketers and learn how to interpret this data and develop our skill. Now, even if you're only interested in the most important reporting within Google Analytics, we will give you all the shortcuts where you can get as much information in as short time as possible using the guidebook. By heading over into the Google Analytics section and then moving over into traffic, you are going to get over 100 analytics intelligence questions that you can instantly add in by selecting them, pasting them into the analytics intelligence search bar, and then finding the insights icon to get an instant answer to whatever question you may have. We have provided you with over 100 analytics intelligence questions that you can instantly copy paste to gain a ton of information without having to navigate through the Google Analytics dashboard and reports. You will find them across the traffic, locations, demographics, pages, and sources and medium channel sections within the guidebook. With that said, there is so much more to learn in this course, and I hope you're excited to get started, because in the very next lecture, we're going to start off by installing Google Analytics 4 and connecting it to our website. See you in the next lecture.